Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate covered broccoli cookies for April Fool's Day. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. This is going to make 12 cookies, so of course just double this if you want to make more. So first we need 24 Tootsie Rolls, and then you need 1 cup of sugar, 1/8 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a half a stick of butter, a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of Wowbutter, 1½ cups of quick oats, just like the minute oats, and then a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're going to need a saucepan, and then you need a big cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. So let's get started with our broccoli stems. Alright, your first step is to unwrap all of your Tootsie Rolls. So I have all mine unwrapped here. And mine are a little hard, so I am going to stick half of them in the microwave for about 8 to 10 seconds. Okay, so I took 6 of my Tootsie Rolls out of the microwave and just kind of elongated them to look more like broccoli stems. And then for the other 6, you just break those up into 4 pieces each, because we're going to roll those like little ropes, and they're just going to be the little pieces that stick out of the broccoli stem, just more stems but the smaller ones. Alright, so this part takes some time here. Basically, you half of your Tootsie Rolls, so 12 of them, you want to break up into 4 pieces each, and then you want to roll them in your hands like ropes. And then the other 12, you're going to attach your ropes to, so they're like broccoli stems. So I have half of mine done, and now I'm kind of in a rhythm. There's really no wrong or right way. However you really want them to look is fine. Alright, my broccoli stem bases are finally all done, and I just spread them out on a parchment lined cookie sheet so we can actually add the florets, the chocolate covered florets, to the top. So I'm just going to set this to the side, and we need a saucepan to make everything else. Alright, so in a medium saucepan over high heat, I'm going to melt my butter for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to add my sugar, my cocoa powder, and my milk. And we are going to stir that until it comes to a boil. Alright, all my ingredients are added, so next we are just going to, like I said, stir this with a whisk and just let it come to a rapid boil for 1 minute. Alright, I'm going to let this boil like this for 1 minute, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat and add my other ingredients. Alright, my Wowbutter and my vanilla extract and my oats have all been added and stirred really well to combine it. Now we are going to let them sit here for about 5 to 10 minutes because you want it to kind of set up a little bit and become a little bit lumpy. Alright, my mixture's been sitting here for a while, so it's time to get started on our florets. So I am just going to drop this by big tablespoons full onto my broccoli. And after I get all 12 done, you can go back and add little ones if you have more. Oh my gosh, my little broccolis are all done, and look how cute they are. So basically you just dollop the mixture on there. It's not, if you let it cool off and harden a little, it's not hard to handle at all. You can make different shapes, add more. See, some of mine have like 3 mounds of broccoli on there. They look so cute. So next we just have to leave them on this parchment paper and let them sit for 1 hour so they can harden and cool. And then we'll see what the kids think. We'll see if I can trick them. Alright, these have been drying for about 1.5 hours, so they're all set up. So we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. See if I can trick him. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Hey, everyone. I didn't tell Taste Tester what's in here yet, this healthy keto dessert I made. Go ahead and open it. You know what it is? Those are chocolate-covered broccoli for keto. You want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it broccoli?
That is nothing else. That's good.
Is it broccoli? You think?
Yeah.
But you think it is broccoli? Or you think it's not broccoli?
Not.
Do you think I tricked you? Yes, I did. Happy April Fools! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!